My name's Carys. I completed the Level 3 Diploma in Veterinary Nursing. I've been thinking about sort of what I wanted to do long term with my career for quite a few years. As you can probably see, I'm a little bit older than a lot of apprentice students, and I had the opportunity to do the course and become a veterinary nurse as an apprentice, and I jumped on the chance. So I did my apprenticeship with Kibben Veterinary Clinic in Carnarvon. Fantastic people to learn from. Like, everyone is really generous with their time and their knowledge, and like the whole team looks after you. Within the practice, I do a huge variety of things, from monitoring anaesthetics, doing consultations with clients and their animals. I work on reception. I do laboratory work. I spend a lot of time looking at slides of various things, samples we've taken off of people's animals. And to become a qualified registered veterinary nurse, you need to do either a university course or an approved apprenticeship or level 3 course at college. So it is absolutely essential in order to be able to do the job. And then going on from there are a lot of opportunities in terms of further study, going on to do master's courses or lower level, shorter courses to gain certificates in various areas. So I'm quite sure I will be thinking of various ones to do. As much as it's hard working and studying at the same time, being able to work, not building up a mountain of debt, is brilliant if it's for a job or a course where you don't need to study full time. I think it's a brilliant opportunity, especially if you enjoy being able to work. I mean, for me, I much prefer working to studying, so it was really nice being able to do that.